Drink up. These steps are killing me. I don't like the aftertaste. I'm a heavy drinker. You're in trouble. There you go. He definitely has a thing for you. What in the word? I'm done packing. She took it out on me. Cut it out. Talk is cheap. I'm not gonna say anything to that. Buzz off. That's ridiculous. We've all been there. It just gets to me. How long did it take you? Be on time. I'll get this bill. It's not much. I feel stupid. What's my total? I lost the internet connection.
Every cloud has a silver lining.
Home sweet home. That's pretty much it. What can I get you? Just follow these directions. Let's get trashed. Oh, gross. I'm Maudie. Don't trip. I'm glad we made up. It's such a sunny day today. Take care. I got you a present. I'm not prepared. Here is your receipt. One sec. I want to make up with you. It's fishy. Take your toys up off the floor.
I'm just finishing up packing.
I took a cab here. This can't be happening. Is this gonna be on the exam? Are you doing anything later? You're trouble.
I'm a light drinker.
Can I get your number? I'm in a little bit of a rush. It's not that difficult. I'm sorry about everything. Will you go out with me? Just brace yourself. She and I had a fight recently. I'm sober. There's no one here. Internet connection is better up here. Would you like whipped cream? Too bad. What was that like? You really shouldn't have.
We got into an argument last night.
Can I help you? That's what this is about. Can I get you something? I feel bad. I need to exchange money. When are we having lunch? I love your shoes. It's about time. You're bluffing. You need to stop. I forgive you. Come on in. What the heck? Where did you buy them? What do you say? This is such a vibe. Not much. I didn't bring much. The sun is setting. We're good to go. Don't mention it. Let me pay. Throw it at Matt. Very well spiced. I blame you. I have a nice buzz. I'll be on vacation. This is what puts me off. Coming. You paying cash or credit card? I like to be on my own. I feel full. My body is not cooperating. I'm smashed. I would say.